Well, today I've got something interesting, and it's not by Hot Wheels. It says 1985. Can you guess what it is? Well, a hint, it's from M2 Machines. Another hint, it's limited to 9,000 pieces. Actually, I should show you now. So it's Toyota 3 truck set, and this looks like a good set from M2. And look at this, it's 14 plus, so it's not for kids. So you have to spend your money if you're older than that. It has got three 1985 Toyota trucks, as you can see, S46. And as I said before, it's 9,600 pieces worldwide, 750 of which are chase. I'm not really deep into M2 to know about the chases. Like, how do they look? But even without that, I'm assuming it's a standard set. It still looks good. And as always, M2 has done a good job with packaging. It's a blister over a display case. So let's open it up and see how does it look. Before I take them out of the display case, just want to show you that these all three trucks are in the display case, and you can easily take the display case off. It's not that tough. And then you get all these two trucks, which seems to be holded up by screws. So let me get rid of these and we'll bring all the trucks out. So these are the three 1985 trucks. And I don't know if I've seen any other M2 videos. I recently started collecting M2s. And what I understand, they usually do custom trucks or custom vehicles based on like the original vehicle. So that's why if you see these three trucks, they are similar yet different. All three of those are 1985 Toyota trucks, but all of them have different finishes and different looks to them. I'm going to start with the first one. I'm going to move aside those two just to give you an idea what the first one looks like. This video might get a bit longer. So this 1985 truck, you can see, is finished in this white and blue dual tone paint, which looks awesome. And you've got the custom wheels with rubber tires, again looking good. You've got the fuel filler on the passenger side. Coming to the front, you can see you've got detailed front end with headlamp, turn indicators, running lamps. Wipers are also detailed. You can see it blacked out there. And you got the mirrors on the side, which look good. And you can see it comes with red interior. You've got the black trimmer on the windscreen, which looks good. Passenger side almost similar. You can see slightly flared wheel arches. You also have the black finish around the windows. Rear end again comes with a lot of good details. You can see it has got the Toyota patch there on the tailgate, 1985 on the number plate, and the tail lamps also detailed, which looks good. Now this one has a bed cover, cap, which was holding the rubber, I would say. It just comes off. It's red from the inside. It just sticks there. It's painted white. And if you take this off, you can see the bed, which again is finished in white. Also comes with an opening hood, where you can see some, like the engine right there. Look at this. So there's the engine. Base is metal with some details on it. You can also see the spare wheel, and they've used screws, not rivets. Details actually look good, the frame and everything. Now, the second truck and the third truck, the basic shape, basic details are going to be the same. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of that and show you what the differences are. This is the second truck from the set. So same basic details, detailed front end, mirrors, windshield wipers, trims around the window and windscreen, but it has got a very different paint, different set of wheels, and you can see it's more on the music side. So it's carrying that theme. Wheels actually look something you will find on 90s, most of the 90s modified cars. Rear end is also same kind of details, detailed tail lamp, 1985 on number plate, chrome bumper. But if you look at the bed, it's got a lot of speakers there, ton of speakers. So it's all about the music, I guess. You can take this piece off just like the first truck we saw. It also has a engine inside, which is finished in black. The interior is different though. The first truck had red interior. If I bring it back, you can see it had red interior. This one has black interior. Now let's move on to the third truck. This is the third truck from the set. You can see there are similarities, same grille, front end, same kind of details, mirror, windshield wipers, trim around the windows, everything looks same. But there are certain differences when you move to the side. Obviously paint is different, but you've got different set of wheels here. If you look, it's completely different from those two. Not just the design, but the size also. Interior, this one has a white interior, the other two had red and black. And if you see, it has got a big bed cap. So not gap. So this has got a bed cap which you can install over a truck's bed, so you can basically have weather protection and get more stuff into it, I guess. So you've got the windows for the bed cap. Rear looks similar again, but this one actually gets Toyota written on the side rather than the entire tailgate, and says SR5. So, and you can basically take this bed cap off, reveal similar kind of bed. So they are very similar. Yeah, this one also has an engine. You already saw both those. So if you take the bed caps off from all the three trucks, they look very similar. So here they are, all the three trucks. Well, the hood is open on the one. Let's close that off. Similar basic shape, but yet very different from each other, and I think it's a really nice set. I like what M2 does. They take normal vehicle, modify it, and they don't go crazy like some of the Hot Wheels bus, but they do what you would see like on the actual vehicle on the road when you modify one. I like this set. I like old Toyota trucks. I don't know what do you think about these ones, but yeah, let me know if you've already got something like this, or you are interested in seeing more M2 vehicles. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.